So now the question is, what do we do at such a young age? You guys are small babies, isn't it? Yeah. So do we want to study a lot of things and get stressed? No. We don't want to learn a lot and get stressed out. Great nose making sound. Okay, because that disturbs the class. Okay, we can't do that. So what happens in the class is, Krisha, we learn some simple things to play with math. Okay? So we try learning tables, multiplication tables. Do you know anything about multiplication tables? What are tables you know? Table of 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, you know table till 3. So here also in the class I have kids who know table till 3. Till 4? Okay. Okay, so Nihira knows table till 4. Wade knows table till what Nihira knows because he just repeats after Nihira. Yeah? Alright, now. So, on a serious note, what we will try doing is, in every class, we will try learning some tables. Okay? And then I will check what you have learned. And then, if you know some tables, wonderful. If you don't worry about it. We will spend 5 minutes every day, not in the class. We will practice tables by yourself. And when you come to the class, I will ask you some questions and see how much you know. And if you miss something, if you forget something, what happens? Nothing. If you make a mistake, what happens? Nothing goes wrong. It's okay to make mistakes. Yeah? So, in this class, I don't want anybody to get stressed out. Nobody should get stressed out, okay? Because math is a subject that we should enjoy, not study, okay? We are trying to enjoy math. You know how old I am? Now, I am 50. Okay, 50. And 50 comes in the table of 5. 5 times 50. So, you guys are 5 years old, 6 years old, 7 years old. If you multiply your age by 10, that is how old I am.
And 6.
Yes, 6? Okay, after 10 years I will be 60 also. Okay, anyways, that is not important. So what I am trying to say here is, we will make sure that we spend 5 minutes with ourselves every day to practice tables. And once we learn table till 8, 9, 10, you will see that a lot of math becomes much easier. You will be able to do multiplication like this, division like fun activity. You will learn fractions, you will deal with a lot of things, okay? So,
Table 1.
okay, see, everybody is wanting to do only fun, nobody wants to learn. So, let's get serious about what we are trying to do. Now, what we are trying to do is, first thing we will do is, I will check some tables for the kids and see who all remembers what all. Then we'll practice some tables together. Then we'll start doing addition, subtraction. We'll see who knows what and what we can learn. Okay? So, start with Nihira. So, Nihira, table till 4, 2, 5 here.
2, 5, 10,
3, 6 here.
9,
3, 6 here.
3, 6,
So when I say 3, 6 here, I am saying 3 times 6. Okay, Nihira? Sorry, Prisha. And you know, you are the second Prisha in my class. I have one more Prisha, but she is grown up. She is in 10th grade now. Okay. Yeah, 3, 6 here. 18. So if you forget, let's say I asked you 3, 6 here, you forgot. And I said, okay, no, 3, 6 here, 18. So you said 3, 6 here, 18, 3, 6 here, 18, 3, 6 here, 18. 3, 6 are 18, 3, 6 are 18, 3, 6 are 18. 5 times. So that way you memorize it. Okay? Now let's see. 4, 3 here.
4, 3, 12,
12. 4, 5 here. 4 times 5. 20. Okay, so I checked some tables for Nihira and she knows some of them she's forgetting, and that's okay. Let's go to Prisha. Let's see Prisha if she knows some of the tables. Yeah? Table 3 you said? 2 or 2 times 2? 2 times 5. Then 3 times 6. Mr. Slow. Yeah, 3 times 6, Prisha. Do you remember? It's okay. It's perfectly fine. Okay. And when I check tables, my goal is to understand what we remember, what we don't. And we practice it. We'll make a plan. Mr. Dave, put your feet down. 1 hour. I want everybody to be super serious when they're learning things, but we'll keep on enjoying it without getting distracted. Okay. So let's see Wade. Table till?
And table 1.
Table till 1. There's nothing to do in table of 1. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 9 is 9. What is that to memorize? Table of 1, table of 10 and table of 11. Has nothing to remember, okay?
What table?
Till
What table 10?
10. No, I don't need in bits and pieces. I want to know. Do you know table of 2? We learned that in the previous class. We practiced that together.
What table 5?
Answer my question straight. Don't take me to all the places, okay? Table of 2, let's say. 2 2s are
4.
2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. So we have not practiced in this way. We need to practice. Let's see what Slok has done. Slok, did you say hello to a new friend? Her name is Prisha. Prisha, Slok. Slok comes to the class also in person sometimes. Sometimes he joins online. So yeah. Okay, wait, you'll not make any sound. That is not needed. Imagine if I am teaching and if I start doing this. That will look weird. Let's not do that. Okay, slope table till 4, 2 7 there. Two 5 there. See there. Can you be a little louder as if you are shouting at me? I want to hear you loud and clear. This is a 9. 4 6 there. $24. 4 9 there. 4 9 are 36, no? 3 9 is 27. So now look at my situation. Slow will disappear from the screen. Tell me how many times you have tried memorizing tables and you are still not confident. And if you guys are not confident, I will start shaking as well. Okay, so Prisha and Slow, can you see the full screen? No. Can you see it now? Full screen? Okay. Now, so what I will do is, I will write down the table. So wait, fun time is after 7. From 6 to 7, it's only fun with math. No independent fun. Okay? Now what I will do is, I will write down table of 2, 3 and 4. I will read it once from beginning to the end, and when I say it, you guys will say it with me. And then I will be silent. I will let you guys read it. Wait, beta. Tell me if there is a better way of telling you something. I don't like any sound disturbing me. Sit properly, sit down properly, sit properly. Sit down properly. Do you know what I mean by sitting properly? Sit properly. Yeah, that's better. See how she sitting. Yeah. In a class, there are certain disciplines to be followed. Okay? That is how, and you are not old, right? You are not 68 years old. No. Only old people need a lot of support because they cannot stay straight. Okay? Sit properly, wait. Sit properly. I will not say it again. Now let me write down the 3 tables and then we will practice it together, and everybody in the class will make sure that you guys are noting it down also when I am writing it down. And then we will practice it together. After that, I will ask you guys questions on these 3 tables in the next class. I want everybody to put that effort and memorize it. Now, when I am reading, when I am writing it, I will say it. You guys will repeat after me, okay? So when I say 2 1s are 2, everybody will say 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Everybody.
2 1s are 2.
Risha, you also better. Don't be shy. Okay? Slow, you also will say it. And don't chew your words. Keep your mouth wide open and say it so that your brain can hear it clearly. Because when you say something clear, it gets registered here. It gets recorded here. Okay? Our brains are like tape recorders. Okay? It records everything that we say or we hear. 2 1s are 2.
2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2.
2 2s are 4.
2 2s are 4.
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6.
Trisha, you have to keep saying it. Okay? Don't be shy. It's okay. If a 50-year-old man can read the tables, you guys are too young to do so. Don't worry about it. 2 4s are 8.
2 4s are 8.
So say it loud and clear, but say it clear. Don't be extra loud because I'm not going to hear what Trisha and Sloka are saying. Okay? So you both will say it properly. Are you planning to buy a new t-shirt today? Are you planning to buy a new t-shirt today? After tearing it off? No. Okay. So when I said 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. You have said this loud, but I want to hear Trisha and Sloka also. Okay? 2 5s are 10.
2 5s are 10.
'Wonderful. 2 6s are 12.
2 6s are 12.
Slow.
2 6s are 12.
Yes, that is better. 2 7s are 14.
2 7s are 14.
2 7s are
14.
Trisha? Yeah. 2 8s are 16.
2 8s are 16.
Little louder, better, okay? 2 8s are 16. Yeah. 2 9s are 18.
2 9s are 18.
Slok. Oh, okay. See, we are not learning math. We are becoming, what do you call, a better human being. What do I mean by that? Let's say you and I go for a talk. Let's say I and Slok go for a talk. I'm saying, Slok, how are you? Slok, oh. I said, oh, what did you do today? Oh, no. If you talk like this, how much I will understand? Get into the habit of saying things loud and clear. It will make it better for you. It will everybody who is conversing with you or talking with you. Okay? Everybody. So 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20.
2 times are 20.
So Shlok and Prisha, are you guys able to read it clearly? Is it visible here for you guys? Okay. Now, let me write down the table of 3 and you guys will sing with me. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Shlok and Prisha. Okay. 3 2s are 6.
3 2 are 6.
And wait for you. I don't want you to dance with this one. I said 3 2s are 6 and you start dancing. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. We are not doing Ganpati Visarjan right now. We are memorizing tables. What it means is, when you say 3 2s are 6, you are actually telling yourself. Okay, stop laughing. 3 2s are 6. 6. So you are saying it to yourself and storing that information so that when somebody asks you, 3 2s are, this is 6 because you have stored it here. If you are just jumping and dancing, you would not remember it. So 3 2s are 6.
3 2s are 6.
Okay. 3 3s are 9.
3 3s are
3 4s are 12.
9. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12.
Risha? 12. 3 5s are 15.
3 5s are 15.
So what we'll do is, the kids here in the classroom are a little louder. We'll wait for them to finish and then Shlok and Prisha will say. So that way I can hear all of you. Wait, can you sit properly? Okay. So I will let Mihira and Wait complete and then Prisha and Shlok will say so that I can hear really. Okay. So 3 5s are 15.
3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15.
3 6s are 18.
3 6s are 18.
Shlok? No way. I am not a big fan of too much of disturbance. What is that to laugh? Sit properly. Wait, I'm not laughing right now. I'm being serious. I'm being super serious right now. 3 7s are 21.
3 7s are 21.
Okay. 3 8s are 24.
3 8s are 24.
3 9s are 27.
3 9s are 27.
Sit properly and pay attention to this. I'm not going to keep on repeating this table for the rest of my life. That means we have to learn this in the next couple of months. Okay? Wait, I'm being super serious, okay? There's nothing to laugh at, right? What is there to laugh? You laugh for just 30 minutes and then I will talk to daddy and mommy. Do you want to do that? No, right? Let's not do that. Let's be serious about what we are doing. So, everybody here. 3 9s are 27.
3 9s are 22.
3 10s are 30.
3 10s are 30. 3 10s are 30.
Yeah? So, we have seen table of 3, 2 and 3 and just by me writing it once doesn't do any magic. We all have to practice it. Okay? So, wait. Now, you open a notebook, write down these two tables. Fun time is over.
Wait, do I write
Everybody. More you write, more you remember. But before you write table of 2 and 3, let me write table of 4 also. Let me give you guys a plan. Next 2 weeks, meaning next class when we have, next Monday, and the class after that, before next 2 weeks, I want to make sure that everybody in the class memorizes table till 4. 2, 3 and 4. Let me write down the table of 4 first. 4 ones are 4. Everybody with me. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. So, everybody. 4 fours are 16. Don't get me out of my comfort zone. You know what it means? Meaning, when you make me mad, I will take no time to get mad. And when I go mad, I will start teaching you something that a 10th grader needs to learn. And that will become too difficult for you to deal with. Okay? So, wait. Stay calm, stay focused. It's already 22 minutes in the class. After 38 minutes, the class will get over. Make use of the time to learn something. You're not coming here. Yeah, so let's finish it first. Everybody repeat after me. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. Prisha and Slope. Yeah. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 32. 4 9s are 36. 36. 4 9s no, 36. Yeah. 4 10s are 4 10s are 40. 4 10s are 40. When did it happen? 4 10s are 30. Now, 4 10s are 40. Now let me say something very serious. I am actually getting very serious now. Why? Because I want everybody in the class to memorize table till 4 in next 2 weeks. I'm not saying tomorrow. I'm not asking anybody to study the whole night. I'm saying in next 2 weeks. That means 14 days, half a month. And this can happen by putting 5 minutes of effort every day. Wait, I will complain if you come here to disturb the class. I want you guys to learn it without creating any nuisance in the class. Am I being clear?
Yes.
Yeah? Am I being clear?
Yes.
Great to you. Am I clear to you? Yeah. Everybody write it down. Everybody practice it for 5 minutes and slow. Your dance has to happen after 7 p.m. Because I'm not happy with the fact that you have been memorizing tables for last 2 months or maybe more. And you're still getting stuck at table of 2. I'm not happy about it. I want everybody to write it down in their notebook, and this page should be in front of everybody every day for 5 minutes. You memorize tables, take it to your parents, ask them to check. Next day again memorize for 5 minutes, take it to your parents, ask them to check. In 2 weeks, if I see somebody is doing wonderful, if I say 4 8 are 32, 3 9 are 27, if it comes like this, there will be a prize for you. If somebody like Slow gives me again hard time, I will have no other choice but to talk to parents and say, you have to keep checking with what the child is doing. Okay? So, Prisha, you might be thinking that no, this old man is bothering everybody. But the fact is, Beta, if we learn tables, this helps us do a lot of things. Okay? We'll be able to move forward. Otherwise, for the rest of our lives, we will keep doing tables. Not good. So I'll give you guys 5 minutes of silence to note down the table of 2, 3 and 4. Okay? And Prisha, I will send the video of the class also. So you can see what the video, there also you can note down. But it's better to note it down now. And then once you are done, then we will go to the next thing that we want to do in the class. Alright? Slow, you also note it down. Prisha, Slow, Nihira and Ved. Everybody notes it down. Yeah? Thumbs up has no meaning to it. Note it down. Thumbs up and Coca-Cola are two soft drinks. I don't like any of them. Go ahead. And do it as quickly as you can. Slow. Time to get serious, okay? Time to get super serious, I'm telling you. Okay. Slow, where do you go? Stay in front of me, the class is not over yet.
I know that.
You are slow. Down slow. Are you done, Nihira?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Prisha, how much time you will need? Are you done? Are you still noting it down?
And slow.
Hear the name carefully. Prisha, how about you done?
No.
Not yet done?
No.
How many more minutes you would need? Maybe 2 more minutes?
No.
How many more minutes you would need? 1 more minute? 2 more minutes?
I need 6 more minutes.
6 more minutes? That's a lot of time. Okay, so I'll give you guys 2 more minutes to write down whatever you can write down. And after that, I will ask you guys to pause. See how much Slok is enjoying right now. He's doing nothing. Right, Slok? See, I want to keep this class very light, but provided you guys do your work. If nobody does work and everybody just stays light, we will not learn anything. And the parents will catch hold of me one day and catch hold of me like this and put me on the floor, saying, you are wasting my kids' time and not teaching them anything. Yeah? Okay. So alright, so in 2 minutes, whatever you can write it down. And after the class, when I upload the video and I'll send it to parents, Prisha, then you can note it down later on, okay, whatever is remaining. So it's 6:31. By 6:33, I will start something new. I will let you guys note down whatever you can. If somebody has written up to here, finish table till 3. If you have somebody written till here, finish this table also. Yeah?
Okay.
What did you finish? Wait.
Can I go back?
Yeah.
It's
Please check.
3:24. It's
You know what?
3:24.
Yeah.
It's 3:24.
Yeah, okay.
It's 3:24.
Huh?
3:24.
3 8 are 24, yeah? Alright. So let's stop here now.
I'm not done.
You will never be done. 3 8 are 24. See, what are you writing here? What will you do with this?
Oh,
Give it to me, give it to me. You don't have much time. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. You are spending more time playing than learning. 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, you are writing 12, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27, 3 10 are 30. It doesn't take much time. You are wasting a lot of time playing. Okay, so I am going to delete this. Whatever you guys have noted down, wonderful. Whatever you did not note it down, that is even better.
I'm not done.
That's okay. So, whatever I had written on the table, that you will have in the video. Okay, when I send it across, you can pause the video when I send it across on the table, and you can note down whatever is remaining. Okay, make sure you will have your own notebook with all the tables written, which you can use for memorizing it and practicing every day for 5 minutes. Slow. Let's do. Wait, please sit down properly. I don't enjoy when anybody disturbs me while I am taking class. Because I am taking class to make you guys learn. Okay? Now, so
You're not running that circle.
you will not talk in between. Careful is the word. Yeah. Don't close it, don't close it. It needs some cool air from there so that it can give you guys. Okay. Slow. This is how many times? Probably 200 times. I have told you to memorize tables. This time I am not fooling around. I am super serious. What I mean by that is I am giving everybody a time period of 2 weeks between now and the next class. Today is which date? Today is the 3rd. So by 17th of August, everybody should become rock solid with table till 4. When I say rock solid, what that means is 4 9 are 36, 2 8 are 16, 3 5 are 15, 3 9 are 27, 4 8 are 32. It should come like that. And the music that you are playing right now, stop that right away.
By the 7th or 17th?
By the 17th. So I'm giving you guys 2 weeks. I know if everybody. Wait, can you stop that nonsense? Give that pencil to me. I'll tell you in the position in which you have to sit for next 30 minutes. Get up, get up, get up. If I am a student, I have to sit like this. Sit straight. Notebook is here, pencil is here, eyes are there. No third thing. Yeah? If I am not doing it, that means I am just wasting my time and I am disturbing the whole class. Do you want to do that? If you want to disturb the whole class, let me know. I will make sure that anybody who wants to disturb the class is not in the class. Yeah? And this guy has to stay here. When you are going home, you take it. You don't need 72 minutes to make noise. Alright. So, let's see. Prisha, do you know how to do addition? Do you know how to add numbers?
Yes.
If I ask you to add 25 and 13, do you know how to add it? Okay. If I ask you to add 362 plus 135, do you know how to do it? No? You can add this and this the same way. Okay? If you can add this one, you will be able to add this one also. Give it a try. I will explain this. Or let me do one thing. Let me do these two problems. I will do the easy ones. I will ask you guys to do the difficult ones. How about that? Yeah? I'm old. Old people should be given. What did I tell you 2 minutes ago? Where is your one leg? Missing? Sit properly. Okay. So, if I am doing these two problems, okay? First rule of thumb. Slow, can you pay attention, but I don't want you to go wrong. Neither Nihira nor Ved. Okay? You have to get the hairstyle like me? No, right? I can ask Daddy that, okay, his hairstyle is disturbing him. Get him my hairstyle. Okay, so this one. What first thing you have to do is, you have to write down the numbers clearly. What I've been teaching kids is that, okay, waste not paper. Meaning, let's see if I'm trying to add 25 and 30. So 25, 2 and 5 are a little bit away from each other. And 13, 1 and 3. Okay, so there is no confusion. 3 is with 5 and 2 is with 1. Okay? When I say add these two numbers, what I'm doing? 5 plus 3. I have 5. I'm adding 3 to it. 5, then 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So 5 plus 3 is 8. I will not write it here. I will write it here. Okay? Just to do one check. Oh, is it one number? Oh, one number. I can write it here. Okay? And I'll tell you why I'm doing that. 2 plus 1. I have 2. I added one more. Now I have 3. What I will do is I will not write it here. I will write it here. Just to do the check. Is it one number?
Yes.
Yeah, just one number. Write it down. So if it's only one number, I will write it down. So this is done. Everybody, careful, very careful with this one. I am trying to add 5, 3, 7 with 1, 4, 2. Same thing I did. I kept them away from each other, okay, so that there is no confusion, okay. None of the numbers are going and hugging each other. Yeah? They are still neighbors, but they are not close enough. Yeah? Now if I am trying to add them, what happens here? 7 plus 2. I had 7 and I am adding 2. 8, 9. Yeah? 9. Again I am writing it here on the side. Oh, just one number, I can write it down. 4 plus 3. I had 4 and I am adding 3 to it. 5, 6, 7. Yeah? Oh, 7. I will again write it on the side. 7. Oh, just one number. You wait here. Here. 7, just one number. I can write it down. Oh, this is also done. Okay. Now 5 plus 1. How much it is, Slope? 5 plus 1. Who are you talking about? I'm sorry, sir? 6. Now he's asking Slope, how much is 5 plus 1? Because sometimes Slope gives me very interesting answers. How much is that? Unmute and talk. 6. So say it till I hear it. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Oh, just one number? I can write it down. So this is how, whether it's a 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, doesn't matter, Krishna, okay? You will just write it clearly, enough gap, waste lot of paper, okay? I can guarantee you guys that your parents have lot of money. I'm just kidding. I'm not counting anybody's money. What I'm telling you guys is, waste a little bit of paper for now. Don't try. Don't do that. Wait. Why I have to keep on reminding every 2 minutes? You don't like learning? You don't like listening to people also? No? Say it loud, it's okay. You can say, I don't care. That's fine. Is that true? Yeah? No? I hope nobody wants to say like that, right? Nobody wants to say, I don't care what the teacher says. I don't care what my parents say, right? We all want to care. We are all good people, right? So, coming back to this one. So, for Prisha, Slok, Mihira and Ved, whether it's adding 2 numbers, adding 3 numbers, adding 5 digit numbers, doesn't matter. We are fine as long as we keep it neat and clean. We are fine. We are okay to waste a little bit of paper right now because you guys are small. You are learning things. And if you waste a little bit of paper, it's okay for now. When you grow up, you will anyways learn how to save paper. Okay? Alright? So, now I will give you guys some problems. I will just show one problem one more time. I will just show one more problem, just one more time. Let's say I am trying to add 754 with 167, or let's say 137. Okay? If I am trying to add this, 7 plus 4 is how much? I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah? 7 plus 4 is 11. Prisha, Flo, Wait. So, see what is happening here. I am teaching here, okay? And Ved is doing some Bhangra dance, kicking, Pilates, whatever. And when I said, is it correct? Yeah. No, so don't do that. You will not learn anything if you do it like this, okay? So 7 plus 4 we got is 11. That is why I said, I will always write the numbers on the side. Now we have 2 numbers here, 2 digits here. We can only write one. The first one, that I will write here. What I did not write, this extra one, this flies and goes on the head of the next number. Okay? That's why I was writing it on the side. Wait, this is not right. Which language do you understand? English you understand, right? Yeah? So why do I have to tell the same thing 200 times? What is funny about it? What is funny about it? That's what I'm asking you. If you understand English, answer me. Sit properly. Sit properly. Don't get me mad, okay? Alright. So now this one came here. Now look at it. 5 plus 3. How much? 8. And then one more. 9. Oh, just one number. I don't need to worry about it. I just write it down. Done. Then 7 plus 1. How much it is? 8. 7 plus 1? 8. 8 is just one number. I can write it down. Done. So what you saw here, Prisha, for the first time was probably something called carry forward. You carry this number forward to the next number. This is called carry forward. Okay? Nothing different. Because we were writing the numbers here. If I have only one number, I will write it here. If I have 2 numbers, one number I will write here. Second number goes on the head, and that also gets added. That's it. But don't worry about it. I will give you guys few problems to solve. And do it carefully. Do it sincerely. If you go wrong, it's okay. But do it sincerely. That's my only request to everybody. Okay? So let's see. If I am trying to add 1 plus 5, this is first problem. I am trying to add 26 plus 33. This is second problem. Everybody has to solve it, yes? Then I am trying to add 363 with 126. This is third problem. And then the fourth one is 259 136. I want to add this. So there are 4 problems. I want you guys to solve it. Oh, we were here for singing a song. Do it quickly now. Everybody. Prisha, Slow, Mihira, and Ved. Next 5 minutes, if you are serious, you'll be able to do it and you'll be able to do it right. Done? No. Prisha, how is doing done? Almost done? Okay. Done. Finish it off. It's okay. So now Mihira, you also done all 4? Okay. Slow, are you done? Who are you talking to? Me, brother? Almost done. I'm giving you guys 30 more seconds to finish it. How about Prisha? Are you done with her? Done? Okay. So we have only Slow working on this. Everybody look at what you have done. Review your work, okay? You see, math has 2 parts to it. One is doing it and second is reviewing it. If you do both the things right, you will get it right always, okay? So whatever you have done, just check. Did I add something right? Just check your work. If you review your work, you'll be fine. What are you doing with? We have 2 tables. Move to the other table. Move to other table. Move to other table. I don't have to follow because of you. Come to this table. Come here. Okay. So everybody review your work. It's 6:51 right now. In 30 seconds, I will check everybody's answers and see who has done it right, who is doing it carefully. Okay? If somebody makes a mistake, that's okay. But there should be sincere effort for doing it right. Okay? And Prisha, tell me one thing, do I speak very fast or it's okay? Do I speak very fast or the speed is okay? It's okay. Alright. Slow. Are you done? Okay. Now everybody will tell me the answer. For the first one, what is the answer everybody got? Slow, what did you get?
6.
Prisha, 6. Nihira, 6.
6.
6. So it's simple, right? 5 plus 1. I had 5, added 1 more. 6. Very simple. So everybody got 6. So no need to worry about this one. So I'm deleting this question now. Now let's go to, okay, let me move this guy now. I have a little more space. So I will move this guy here. Now let's come to this problem, second one. How much you got weight?
I got 9 and 5.
9, 5.
Yeah.
So 95.
Yeah. No, 9 here, 5 right here. No.
There's no here, there's no there. I will read this as 9, 5. If you have to say like this, you'll say 5, 9. Because 9, 5 is 95 and 5, 9 is 59. So what did you get? You got 95 or you got 59?
I got 5 and 9.
5, 9. So read it as 5, 9. If somebody asks me, how old are you? That person will buy me a diaper, saying you need to buy a diaper for yourself. Okay?
I'm only 6
Do you know 5 if I change? My age is this.
50.
It's not about 50 or 49. What I'm saying is you have to read the numbers correctly. If your answer is 59, you will say 59. If your answer is 95, you will say read this as 95. So I will write the way you say, okay? So your answer is 5 and 9. How about Neera? What did you get?
9, 5, 6.
9, 5 or 5, 9?
5, 9,
5, 9. Okay, Risha, what did you get now? Second one? 59. See, this is more accurate. I don't have to even struggle. She said 59. But what would it be? Whether you can say 59 or 59, both are okay. Don't say me 95. Okay? I will read this as the way I hear it.
59, 59, 59, 59.
Okay. No, don't go there. Slow, what did you get? 59. Now I will check. See, this is my problem. I don't trust anybody. I will check it myself. 6 plus 3. I have 6. I added 3 more to it. 7, 8, 9. Oh, I will write the number. Oh, just one number? I can write it down. This is done. Then 3 plus 2. I had 3, 4, 5. I will write it here on the side. Oh, just one number? I can write it down.
No.
So 5 and 9 my answer. I will not read this as 9, 5. Okay? Stop singing. Singing class is at 12 p.m. in the night. Come here 12 in the night and we'll do singing class. How about that?
12 and 9.
Yeah? Okay, so this one is also right. Everybody did it right. Now let's go to this problem. Let's go to this problem. This one. What did everybody get?
I got 489. I got 3, 8, and 15.
3, 8 and 15?
Yeah.
Like this? I'm talking about the second one, third one. 363 plus 126.
I got.
Search it up and then tell me. What did Prisha get?
Like the first one.
4?
Yeah.
Wait. Prisha, how many did you return?
489.
Okay, same as Nihira, okay. How about slope?
Minus 385.
You got 3 and 5? So this is the side effect of doing two things together. If you are playing, singing, dancing and doing math, somebody has gone wrong here. I am doubting you because you were dancing. If you were being serious, then my doubt would have been more on Nihira and Trisa. Okay? Let's go to slope. Slope, what did you get? Cut it down. Slope, what did you get? Why are you talking to the new button? I'm not at the 489. So 3 of you have got 489 and only one child has got 385. And I will not say who is that child. So maybe only he is right or everybody is right. Let's see. And I will do it again peacefully. 6 plus 3. I had 6, I'm adding 3 to it. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9. Oh, this is just one number. I can write down. This is that. Now 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8. Again just one number. I can write it here. Then 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 3 you have, you add one more to it, 4. Why would you get 385? Funny. That is wrong. I have to be literally sleeping to get this problem wrong. Trust me. Yeah, if I'm sleeping, if I'm solving this problem, being totally deep asleep, that is where I can go wrong with this problem. This is not a difficult one. So what I'm trying to say is, solve the problem with focus without any disturbance. Otherwise, even simple problems will give you a nightmare. Okay? Now, so here's the thing. Now we'll do the last ones. If you look at this problem again, no new technique, no new concept. Let's see what we got. What did you get? Go. Trisha, what did you get? 395. Okay, we'll see. What did you get?
395.
395.
7.
How about you?
584.
584. Wonderful. So 2 kids have got 395. One of you have got 584. What about? So Trisha, you say got 385. Sorry, 395. Right? Yeah. Okay. Slow. What did you get? Okay. So Ansika, this all is just give me 2 minutes, okay? Let me see off these young ones and then we'll talk. So we got 2 answers here. I will be very rude to say I don't trust any of you. I don't trust anybody when it comes to math. So what we'll do again here, 9 plus 6, I had 9 and I'm adding 6 to it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
My dad is here.
I will write it here, 15.
My dad is
Shh. So shall I start dancing? Dad is here. Focus on that. Okay. 15. What will I write? Only one number here. This guy gets carried forward. It's like this. I am taking this number as a hostage and moving it here. This one is here. 5 plus 3 is how much? 6, 7, 8, and then there's one more here. That makes it 8 plus 1 is 9. 9. Oh, just one number. I can write down. Then 2 plus 1, 21. 3. Yeah. So everybody who got 395, that gives you a message that you are doing it carefully. Whoever got anything bigger than that, that's a bonus, and I don't need bonus. It has to be right. Alright? With that being said, I will let you guys go, and I will send some more assignments to you guys so that you can practice it and be more comfortable with it. And slowly, all your dance that you are doing right now, like this, that will be of no use, because in next 2 weeks I want you guys to become champion with tables up to 4. When I say champion, I mean it. If I say 4 Tija and you start thinking and take 20 seconds to give me a response back, that is not called champion. Okay? Alright? Bye Slok, bye Prisha, I will not talk to you guys. The class is over. The kids are waiting. Okay? Alright, have fun. Yep.